Hey guys, my name is Glowbern and welcome back to my channel, GoGrowGlowbern. In this channel, I usually share travel vlogs, and just to connect the theme of my channel to what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to do something really cool. But first, let's unbox this camera. It's a camera, yes. I just got this in the mail. Look at all that. Woohoo! Right. I actually ordered this camera off eBay, and the seller is called Excess Camera Gear, which is interesting because I've got so much cameras at the moment. I love them all, but I think it's a little bit excessive. They sent me a note and it says, "Hi Glowbern, welcome to ECG, enjoy your new gear and use the below code for free shipping next time you visit our website, valid until the end of 2019. This is what we've all been waiting for. And there's nothing left inside there that can all go to the recycle bin. So this is the camera, and some more stuff to keep it all safe. Recycle. Here we are. Look how pretty that is. So this is the Lomography Sprocket rocket camera. It's a film camera. If you haven't seen my toy cameras like introduction to this series, I'll link it up in the cards somewhere up there. But this is the Lomography Sprocket rocket, newest addition to my collection of film cameras. Let me show you the box. So that's, look how pretty that is. That's probably like a double exposure. And this is the back. Woohoo! And the bottom's just, yeah. Anyway, so let me read the box. What's at the back of the box? It says, the Sprocket rocket is the world's first panoramic super wide angle compact camera dedicated to framing your pictures with handsome sprocket holes. So if you can see some of the photos at the back, it's got these holes of your 35mm film, and those are called sprocket holes. Convenient scrolling knobs allow experimentation by moving back and forth between frames on film. Get the most bang for your buck with this camera, which exposes your entire film and not just that exclusive little fillet in the middle. I don't know how to pronounce that word. But this is exciting. All right, let's get this out of the box. And I've got my little craft scissors here. Now the question is, how do I open this? There's like some little ribbons here. So, oh, comes out like that, right? Woohoo! Oh. And that was the lens cap. Ta-da! Oh, that's really cool. All right. Look at that beauty. It's beautiful. So this is the rewind knob. We've got a hot shoe for flash if you want to put some flash on. This is the wind knob, like move your film forward. The back of the camera and the front of the camera. Got some settings. Oh, okay, cool. So we've got some settings there. So just point this like knob thing to the distance that you're shooting at. There's 1 meter to infinity and 0.6 to 1 meter, so that's like macro photography. And then we've got this lever here that has N and B. N is for normal shooting mode and B is for bulb mode, for those long exposures. You can actually tell that I've researched a lot of this camera. I've read so many articles about film photography, and I'm so excited. And this is here's the shutter button. Ooh, that sounds cool. Oh, I've got it on bulb. Oh, cool. So here we've got letter E. That means this camera doesn't have film on it. And this one is very important. That is where you can see the white dot. The white dot meaning you are on a fresh new exposure. So let's open this camera up. There you go. It's got 2 latches on the side. Ooh, and it says, this is a frame. So it says, remove it if you want sprocket holes on your image. Keep it in for a clean cut, sprocket hole free image. I obviously bought this camera for the sprocket hole, so I am gonna take that off. There we go. Just chuck that out to recycle. And this is the frame. And this is the inside of the camera. See, it's like super duper wide. Let's compare it to, I still have film in my Lomography La Sardina. Oh wait, let's compare it to the broken one that I have. So if you compare, this is the Lomography La Sardina. You've seen this in previous video, but let us compare. Ta-da! So this one is smaller than this one. This is, okay, this section is where your photos or your film will be exposed, and that's where you take your photos on. That's where your film will be. This is the rewind button, so you put the film here and then put the film there, and then so that you can wind it forward like that. See? So yeah, it's so much wider than this one. And I've read that this camera takes double the amount of exposures on your film. So if you have like a 36 exposure film, then you can only take 18 pictures, I think. Yee-hee, I'm so excited. Go. Pretty neat. And at the bottom here, we've got this thing that we can probably take off. So you have your tripod mount. And I'll probably like hook some like string to like hold the camera, maybe put it around my neck or around my wrist or something, like a wrist strap or a neck strap, so that I have it on hand. So lens cap goes over there. There you go. Beauty. Such a beautiful, sleek camera. Awesome. So let's have a look and what else is in this box. Got a few things. So it was like in the back here behind the camera. So goes to recycle. Ooh. Ooh. That is interesting. Oh wow. Why do I have this? That's interesting. This is like a leaflet or flyer for the Lomo LCA Plus. This I don't think should be here. Maybe it's like an ad for the newest version of the LCA, because it says the brand new Lomo LCA Plus camera. And it's got like sample photos in there, just like you would any other lomography product. And at the back it's got the history of the Lomo LCA Plus as well. To be honest, I really want to get this camera, but man is it expensive. It's like $500 just for a plastic camera, but I can't afford it yet. This one's like under 100, so Okay, I'll keep that and read about the LCA Plus. And then we have the Sprocket rocket book. That is so cool. Look at this image. And with the sprocket holes in there, the photo just looks amazing. Right, and it tells us all about the Sprocket rocket, I believe. Oh, it's even got a little comic in there. Yeah. It's a little comic. That's so cool. Oh, how adorable. This booklet tells you all about the Sprocket rocket, shares some sample photos. Awesome. Oh, and this one is the user's manual for the Sprocket rocket. How to use this amazing camera. Oh, that's huge. Yeah. Oh wow. It's huge because it actually has different languages, not just English. And that's awesome. So there's English, there's German, I believe, French, Japanese, Chinese, I think. Oh, even Korean. Oh, I don't know how to read them, but yeah. Cool. So what I'm going to capture with this camera, since it's a panoramic camera, I am going to take you all around the scenic places that you can find in Perth. I'm gonna try and take photos of amazing views. I've got a couple in mind, and I want to take you guys with me while I test out this camera and see for yourself. Let's load up this camera with some film and let's take pictures. Wait.